Hello and welcome to PowerBITrek. In this video, I will show you how we can create measures and calculated columns in our Power BI report. So before that, let's see what is a measure and how it is different from calculated columns. So measure in Power BI are used to perform calculations on data such as aggregations, ratios, and percentages. They can be created using a variety of DAX functions, including sum, average, and count. It is important to note that measures are dynamic and will update automatically as data changes, whereas calculated columns use data analysis expressions formulas to define a column's values. This tool is useful for anything from putting together text values from a couple of different columns to calculating a numeric value from other values. So let's see how we can create a measure and calculated columns in our Power BI report. So as you can see, I have already loaded the data into our Power BI report. So I'm using a financial data, which has these fields like date, country, gross sales, sales price, profit, and so on. So let's see how we can create the measures, the new measures in Power BI report and the calculated columns. So I'll just open one blank page to create these measures and calculate columns to show you how we can use that in our Power BI report. So now we will create a measure for the net sales since we have only gross sales and sales price and the discount given. So with that, we can utilize these two fields like discount and gross sales, and we can calculate the net sales amount. So in order to do that, just go to this table and you see the more options. So click here and click on new measures. So we will name this as net sales. So our net sales should be gross sales minus discount given. So I will do sum of gross sales, close the bracket, then subtract this with discount given. So I will do sum up again, discount. So we'll get the net sales amount here for our report. So we can just create one visual for this. So net sales. So we can just bring this newly created measure, which gives us the net sales amount. So you can just click here and you can this chart, the clustered column chart. And if you want to look at by country, then you can just bring the country field to x-axis, so you can see the net sales per country. So in order to see the gross sales one for each country parallelly. So you can bring this gross sales to on the y-axis again, and you can just compare the gross sales and the net sale amount per country here. So here we have created the measure which gives us the net sales, that is actually the gross sales minus discount given in our Power BI report. So also we can create another measure by using the measure created, which is actually the net sales. Suppose if you want to find out which product have the highest net sales amount per unit sold. So you need a measure that divides net sales by the quantity of units sold. So you create a new measure that divides the result of your net sales measure by the sum of sales units sold. So in order to do that, we will create another measure. So let's create a new measure and we will name this as net sales per unit. and we'll use the formula that net cells and use this forward slash for division. So we will use sum of units sold. So you see we have created the net sales per unit sold. So to use that in our chart, we will bring this tree map and bring this net sales per unit sold to values, and we will bring the product from our chart to category. So now you'll get this. So VTT has 121.53 net sales per unit, and Velo has 112.36 net sales per unit. So this is how you can see the product which has the highest net sales amount per unit sold. So now we will see how we can create the calculated columns in our Power BI report, and we can use that in our visualizations, and we can use that in our report. So let me go to the data. Let me go to the table view first, and suppose we have a date column, so and we have a month number and the month name. Suppose if you want to create a column which has a month number as well as the year together, and we do not have such a column in this table view, so we can create that by using this date field. So let's see how we can create that. So under this table view, you'll get table tools option. Under that, you can see the new column. You just click the new column here and name this as month, year. So we'll use the format function here, and we will provide the date, and we'll use this month number, and double quote is 00. Sorry. Then close the bracket. You will use ampersand as logical operator to connect these with hyphen. So, and we'll use again the date, and this time we'll use the year. So just hit enter. And now you see, you have combined a month and year here using this date column. So you can use that in our report. So we will use that newly created column in our chart. So I'll just bring a line chart here, and I will bring month, which is the column we created just now. I will bring this to x-axis, and I will bring, let's see, the gross sales to the y-axis. So you can see this. You'll get this month number and year, which it is. So you can see this trend per month, year. So this is how you can create the measures and calculate columns in Power BI report. And if you like this video, please do like, subscribe, and share it to your friends. And in next videos, I will show you how we can create the complex measures and calculate columns. So please stay tuned for upcoming videos. Thank you.